Richard here at ILI in another series of videos for pronunciation. Now today we are going to go over the ED endings. There are 3 ED endings and they're quite simple once you know the rules. Now we have ED as id, ED as t, and ED as d. That's d, id, id, d. Different. Now, many students ask, how do I know when to use them? It's so simple. Let's go over it. Now, if as ed as id, if the ending is a T or a D sound, and this is a sound, not the letter, a sound like want, visit, need, and look at the sound, not the letter. The letter is E, the sound is D. Abide. This will be id. Want, id. Wanted. Visit, id. Visited. Need, id. Needed. Abide, id. Abided. So good. Let's try it again. Wanted, visited, needed, abided. If you could think of any more with T's or D's, add id. Let's move on to ED as t. Now ED as t, we use unvoiced sounds. Sounds that you can't sing. For example, GH as SH, sh, ch, s, s. X will be s, and now you can't sing these. For example, help, look, help, look, sniff, sniff. I can't sing that. Sniff, sniffed, laugh, left, wash, washed, watch, watched, kiss, kissed, dance, danced, fix, fixed, morph, morphed. So if you cannot sing the sound, it will be a t sound. All right, one more time. Let's go over it so you get a feel for it, naturally speaking. Helped, helped, looked, looked, sniffed, sniffed, laughed, laughed, washed, washed, watched, watched, kissed, kissed, danced, danced, fixed, fixed, morphed, morphed. Now you go ahead and try it. Hey, that's not bad. That's pretty good. All right, we got one more ending sound, ed as d. Not da, not de, d. Very soft, d, 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 d. Now, when do we use this one? When you have an ending sound that you can sing, it's a voiced sound, you use d. We have L, N, R, G, V, S, E, Z, B, M. There'll be L, N, R, G, J, V, Z, B, I can sing that. I don't sing well, but I can sing it. All right, let's try it out. Called, called. Cleaned, cleaned. Offered, offered. Damaged, damaged. Loved, loved. Used, used. Amazed, amazed. Not amazed, amazed. Very soft. Rub, rubbed, rubbed, rubbed. Claimed. Now again, one more time at a natural speed so that you are used to it. Called, cleaned, offered, damaged, loved, used, amazed, rubbed, claimed. Now you try at home. Wonderful. Now let's do one more little exercise for these, because this is the problem area for many students. This is called, it is not cult, and it is not called. Many students say called, but it's not called. Why? Because it does not end with T or D. It ends with an L. Called, called, cult, called, called, cleaned, cleaned, cleaned? No, cleaned, cleaned. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have a wonderful time. Practice at home, practice out of home. Ask us questions, write us questions. We will respond to you. Have a wonderful day. I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.